Good evening friends, my name is Narendra Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about private limited company registration, its benefits, the process of company registration, compliance, SPICE, e-form requirements and the recent changes in the law. So you'll get to know everything about setting up company in India. First of all, we will discuss what is company registration. If you're willing to start your own business, it's mandatory to register yourself. It could be one-person company, it could be private limited company, LLP, proprietorship or partnership. In this video, we will cover everything about private limited company registration. So for private limited company registration, the basic requirement is that at least you should have two co-founders who can act as director in the company, and same time they will be also shareholder in the company. This will help you to structure your team. Then you need to understand that the name requirement, that what will be the name of the company. The name must be unique. For name, you have to search on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website as well as on the trademark website. This is very important and very critical as well. So what you have to do proper research about this. You can see in this video, we'll give you the URL through you can check the name availability, that name is available or not. Now you have done with the name search, your name is finalized. Now you need to find a company, a consultant or professionals who can help you with this process. The first process is to create DIN and digital signature. So first you need digital signature. For digital signature you need basic ID, Aadhaar card, PAN card and any utility bills or bank statement. This will help you to create DSC, and then you need to have DIN. If you are registering your company first time in India, then you need to apply for Director Identification Number. In short form, this is called DIN. Now, recently Ministry has notified SPICE Plus form. So we'll cover this video according to the SPICE Plus form, because this is the latest e-form issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which will enable you to understand that what are the benefits of this SPICE e-form. So we'll discuss about this, and also we'll discuss about the rest of the process that how you are going to start. So first of all, generally we used to hear from startups co-founders that can I do multiple business objectives in one company? Yes, you can do. You have to draft your MOA, AOA accordingly, so that it should cover the principal objective of your business, and same time article of association you have to frame out in a way that the regulation and constitution of company will be in the similar manner. Let's talk about the MOA and AOA. So MOA will define the object of the company, that what all business activities you want to carry in one company. If you want to carry multiple business objectives, it's too allowed. And same time, AOA will define the constitution of the company, that how you are going to operate, what will be the rules and regulation of the company, when, and for an example, you're going to add a new co-founder or new shareholders or investor, then how you will regulate them, how company will ensure that interest of company is safe. So this is the entire constitution, the way a part of Companies Act, article of association governs the internal the administration of the company. So that's one point. Now coming back to the company registration. So once you finalize that okay, this name I need to go, then you need to understand that what all you will get in this registration process. The first process, that you will get your name approval certificate, you will get a company registration certificate from Ministry of Affairs, you will get PAN, TAN. Also, it's optional if you choose SPICE Plus. There is two part, one part A and part B. If you select both part with your consultant, you no need to go to multiple consultants for multiple work. For example, the ministry has notified this e-form, just keeping in mind that this will promote ease of doing business in India. So you'll get your company registration certificate, you'll get your name approval letter, also you will get EPF number of your organization, also you'll get ESIC number. In Maharashtra, you can also apply for professional tax registration in one go. Also, you can select the bank account through you want to open your bank account of your company. This will give you all end-to-end process. All-to-end process is combined now in one form. This is called Spice Plus. So in Spice Plus, your consultant will select all those options, and thereafter no need to pay him again and again. Now we'll discuss about the company registration process. What is company registration process? The first process, team. So you should have 2 team members, 2 directors, and these 2 directors can be the shareholder of the company. Then you need to finalize a consultant who will carry your assignment from registration to your PAN 10 and certificate, and also compliance part. So probably you can select a chartered accountant, or you can select a digital company digital consulting firm who can help you with this process. You need to have DIN DSE name approval ready. Consultant has been finalized. Now you need to file for company incorporation, which you select Spice Plus. I already explained you the benefits of Spice Plus. So typically in 5 to 7 working days from name approval, if you're going via name approval process. Otherwise, you can directly apply name through Spice Plus, and it is registered. Now let's talk about the document requirement. What are the document requirements? In order to create digital signature and DIN and company registration certificate, you should have following IDs. ID 1, your PAN card. PAN card is mandatory, and you should be the natural person, and you should have a PAN card. So PAN card, and then Aadhaar is also required. Along with, you can submit like election ID card and any utility bills like your bank statement or gas connection. So this will prove that you have a proper document for your registration for your business. Now coming to the registered office. So every company should have its own registered office. It could be your house or office. It may be rented or owned. If it's rented, you need to obtain rental agreement from your landlord and utility bills. This will be attached in the Spice e-form. And then comes to the bank account opening. For bank account opening, you can select at the time of a submission of Spice Plus form. So this will enable you to register your company. Now we'll talk about the timeline. Typical timeline is at least 3 to 4 working days will take for your name approval. If name is easy, it will approve straightforward, maybe in a day. And for a Spice Plus approval, it may take 2 or 3 days. So total timeline, including document preparation, we believe that 7 to 10 working days is well enough. So you can finish your registration. Now coming to the cost. What will the cost? Typically, the government fee is in the range of 3 to 5,000 rupees, depending on the state and the capital which you propose to. But you should note that in a private limited company, there is no minimum capital requirement. Means you can register your company without any capital. But typically, as we see in our experience, people used to keep 1 lakh rupees as the minimum capital. And also in private limited company, there can be shareholder who can contribute. So now you need to file business commencement certificate, business commencement form, which is 20A after bank account opening. Means whatever paid up capital you are willing to show, you have to deposit in the bank account, and then there will be form 20A filing by your consultants or your chartered accountant. Let's talk about the post-registration compliance. Typically, it starts from form 20A. Then you need to appoint a statutory auditor within 30 days of your within 30 days of registration. Also, you need to maintain your minutes of the company. So GST compliance, TDS, ESIC, EPF. So all such compliance and returns will be the ongoing process. Annual return you need to file. You need to file income tax, ROC returns, etc. You may have any questions about the company registration process or its benefit, or any legal questions you have. You can subscribe to our channel, or also you can write it below. We will reply to you. We will come back again with the further videos on the same subject. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.